Good evening, everyone. Gary wants some give 1 or 2 minutes for everybody to join. Oh, hold on. Not now. Hold on. Get my charger. All right, man. Let's get the ball rolling. All right. Everybody can see my screen. We good? All right. Good evening. Let's get ready for this week's new week, new trading week, new trading plan. All right. So, um, I'm bullish going into tomorrow. Let me just tell you why. Hold on. Okay. Let me put up the daily for you guys. All right. So reason I'm bullish. All right. So where we got a bounce here, we got a green strong daily candle, and look where we got a bounce at around 402, which was a resistance right here on this day, and a little bit over here. Not that much, but a little bit. So, oh, I got two squares there. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So this resistance is turning support. So that's my reasoning behind the bull move. And also these indicators, they don't show a strong move to the upside, but this straight line here shows that SPY stood strong around these price levels. So I believe SPY is gonna eventually crack the resistance on the RSI, the recent highs, and go higher. We haven't even touched like oversold zone in a while too. I mean overbought, sorry. Overbought zone. Yeah, SPY hasn't been in a while. Look, back here was the time. This was on August. So hopefully the RSI could go back to that high level on the RSI. And the MACD also shows a little strong. What I like about the MACD is that this is not cascading lower. So the bulls could definitely come in stronger. And like I said, keep going towards the upside. See, the MACD still has room to go higher. So I'm definitely bullish going into the week. I got some alerts set. Um, this alert, let me dissect it on the 15th for you guys. 1 second. So yeah, I got some alerts. So I got an alert here on a resistance on Friday, and I have a semi-support alert over here, which could be a bounce. So this could be a bounce zone on SPY. And I got 2 more alerts over here to watch as well for support possible bounce on SPY. And if we go under here, we definitely could drop to 401. But I don't think we're gonna go this low. So I got an alert around 403.10 to SPY to go at least to 401. So that's my thesis on SPY. Same goes for the Qs. But the Qs looks a little bit more like it might trade in a tighter channel. I like the SPY setup more. So the Qs was almost doing the exact same thing as SPY. This daily candle held the support right here above these candles, which was resistance. This was resistance. This as well. And these are the only one that broke was this one. But the rest, those were resistance, and Qs is basically acting the same way as SPY. So Qs could definitely bounce back up to at least 295 to see what happens from there. I got also some alerts set on the Qs, and the Qs MACD does look stronger than SPY. That I must say. The tints are exact same color. On the SPY, it was actually lighter if you recall, but the same movement on the MACD looks similar to SPY, and RSI almost identical as SPY. SPY looks a little bit more straighter. This one looks like it's curling down a little. So like I said, I feel like we're gonna open up, maybe sell a little bit, but then bounce up. I'm not expecting a red day tomorrow at all. So with that being said, let's dive into some names. Okay, so first on the list, I like Tesla coming into the week. Tesla looks good on the daily. We got a nice, these alerts I'm gonna adjust. Let me just take them off now so I won't forget. It's too far out. Okay. All right. So these are the two levels I'm honestly just watching on Tesla. I'm watching the 197.40 and the 190.64 just to see if it drops lower than that. But I really think we're gonna go higher. Why? Because right here this is a strong zone for Tesla. Right here, right? Right here, Tesla likes to react. It either goes down or up, but we got a green candle here. So I like green pivot candles on the daily, where it's basically I see a support build. So this is a support zone on it's a green candle on the daily, and the MACD is increasing here. It already crossed, it already broke recent swing highs on the MAC. So the MAC looks very strong for the bullish divergence, and this is similar to SPY. Look, straight consolidation on the RSI. So all we needed to do is crack up to the upside, and this thing could rally to at least the 53 zone on the RSI, which is a lot. So we're gonna definitely watch Tesla above. I'll say 197. Let me see. Let me dissect this better over here. Yeah, because we gotta. Yeah, I'll put it a little over here now that we're on it. So I'm gonna watch it breaking these highs, which was Thursday's opening high. Yeah. So Tesla above that has definitely room to go. So we're gonna watch Tesla. We're gonna watch. I like energy too this week. Enphase is definitely one that I'm gonna discuss because it did so well on Friday. I like GE. GE looks great on the daily. We got a bullish engulfing. Excuse me, sorry guys. We got a bullish engulfing on the daily. Look, green candle, engulfing prior red candle perfectly. RSI is showing strength to the upside. We got a nice uptrend on the RSI here. Oh, sorry. There we go. Yeah, I wanted to show you this. See this double bottom here? It's going to the upside. The only thing is the MACD, we're still good on the MACD. It just changed 10. So we just gotta wait until it starts curling up. It should start curling up soon because this is a point where it likes to either turn or go to the downside. So right here it had a reaction. So I'm expecting it to start reacting around this zone. So it might drop a little bit, but I would want it to curl up. But I really like the RSI over the MACD, and of course the bullish engulfing. So like I said, finished good on Friday. I'm gonna watch GE as soon as we get. Let me see. Hold on. I didn't get a good, okay, this is better, all right. So right here could definitely reject right before my green rectangle. It needs to break here. So I'm gonna watch the E around here, guys. Put the alert to try to get in. Depending on the price action, I might get in right when it breaks my green rectangle on 87. But I'll keep y'all posted for sure. Remember the alerts, I use them to to look at the charts. Once I'm look at them, then I'll dictate if I could play the upside move or the downside move. So GE looks good for the upside. So I'm bullish on GE. I mentioned N phase, right? N phase rallied on Friday, crazy. Oh man, this thing. Is it at? Oh, let's look at the daily. So the daily. What is this? Exactly like GE, another bullish engulfing red candle, green candle overlapping it. It's already at, yep, it's already at the highs, yeah. So we gotta wait for a pullback bounce on GE. So I would wait to at least if we could get GE to bounce around 324, or honestly, let's watch three. This is an important level right here, above VWAP, right? This level right here, when it just opened above VWAP is what I'm watching, 328. And then we could watch the other level, but 328 could definitely be the new bounce for end phase. But obviously, if it doesn't even bounce and it keeps going to the upside, I would really want to see where it opens tomorrow. So I'm not going to put an alert for the highs because we got to see it tomorrow. But I like that. I'm going to put a alert on that bound zone right here for you guys. So this is gonna be a potential bounce on end phase. So end phase Tesla, GE. I like Meta too. Meta looks like it could continue and keep going. It just hit, yeah. Let me let me erase all these old drawings. Okay. So Meta, right? The RSI strong, very strong RSI. Love it. MACD as well, very strong. Look, it's cascading to the upside. So Meta, before we get a rejection, I think it's gonna be 130. That's just my technical analysis. It literally closed around 123.5, which was support around October. Yes. So we want to see some October price action. So 125 is the one I'm looking for, the 125 calls. So if Meta could give us an entry to get into the 125 calls, I'll definitely take it. So I'm gonna watch 124.87 on Meta. And the down move will most likely be the opening of that daily candle. If it goes under that, Meta could definitely go to at least 114. Yeah, 114 at least. But I definitely like Meta. Um, I mean, you could watch Snap too on the side, but Meta has a stronger setup than Snap. The other one that I like of energy is Knee. Is another energy play. So this one actually, let me clear this up. So this one has, as you can see, look, this is a price it likes to respect, right? Right here, this price range of 82.5, I'll say. This last candle, put in a support around that price range. So this is why I like it. So I'm waiting for a break at least of 86. I'm gonna say 86.20 to go long on this for, let me see what this thing rejected over here. Start putting some lines here. 1 second, yeah. Okay. 86. So yeah, if I get in around 86, I can get the 87 calls. Or I can even do 90 if I'm doing like a month out expiration for like January. Cause I think it's gonna start climbing from here. Look, RSI literally, oops, sorry about that. Literally just crossed, guys. So we might just be getting in on the strong move. This is the only thing that's worrying me a little bit. The MACD is very weak on bulls, but it kind of stopped cascading down over here. So maybe it could pop up right here, start going to the upside, just like we seen on SPY and the Qs. It literally went towards the orange line and bounced up. So it could start going to the upside. But I like the setup. Like I said, I like energy this week, so I'm gonna rock with it. And this is literally support turn resistance turn support. This whole thing was resistance on, look, even going back here, guys. Right here, resistance. It's turning in a support play. So now I can go to the upside. I like WWE. So WWE put a nice,
Let's go.
yeah, put a nice strong daily candle on Friday. If this wick wasn't here, it would have been clear bullish engulfing, but we're not gonna ignore it. The strength was there. It literally is holding the VWAP on the daily, and look at what we got here, guys. Perfect cross right now. So it's showing strength. So there's definitely room to go up. MACD as well is turning, and it got darker. And it's slightly, yeah, no, slightly higher too, but very bullish. Like I said, there was there was there was actually news, I think, not too long ago. I think that expanding the business into boxing, so move coming in. So let's see. We got levels that I'm gonna watch on WWE. Should be easy levels. It's already almost there. So if we crack about above my volume profile line right here, if it holds, like these candles didn't want to hold on Friday. So we needed to hold and break above these candles. So I'm gonna say around here. Let's say 81.10 to be safe. Let me put an alert right here. To be safe, 81. 1 cent is not gonna make a difference. Okay, anyway. So we get in there, we could get in on the sneaky entry, ride it out. And right here is where it has to crack. So I would not go heavy unless we break here. You add on your contracts once you break here. But we're trying to dictate the move. We're predicting that it is going to break. Maybe we are going to get this Santa Claus rally and we start seeing these freaking stocks go hitting all-time highs. So, or at least yearly highs. So WWE, NE, Enphase Energy, GE, Tesla, Meta, ATVI, like let's look at ATVI. ATVI daily. We do have consecutive green candles, but that doesn't even matter, as you can see, because look at all these green candles. Then one, two, three, four, five. And some of them were like down days. That's what's mind-boggling. But I do like the setup because this is telling me the price action is still strong on this ticker, and you could possibly go at least to the 200 EMA I have here. So we got the RSI already crossed. I think once we breach this I'm sorry, yeah. Once we breach this resistance, we should go to the next zone. So that's good. MACD also is good, cascading up, and look, it's already turning to the upside. So a lot of traders will overlook this because they'll see so many green daily candles, but we're not gonna overlook it. So I'm gonna look at ATVI once we crack over here. Let me put it. A level could, yeah, let me see on the 15. Yeah, because right here there's a resistance around 6. Yeah, definitely watch ATVI around here. Because once we get to 76.5, that's probably, yeah, that's probably, there's only rejected one time there. So odds are it's not gonna reject there. It might just react a little and then just go right through. So I'm big on rejection happening on multiple touches, and that's only one time really. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna watch ATVI there. There's another tech one. This alert actually went off on Friday, end of the day. This one is another bullish engulfing. Red candle, green candle engulfing it on both ends. We got RSI already pushing to the upside. It already crossed and it already bounced, so you could tell it's strong. MACD, dark tint, also going to the upside, very far away from the orange line too. So this looks like a potential. I think once we break this, I'm gonna adjust that one for you guys. 7809. Go. Okay. So I wanted to break the 200 I have here. So if it breaks that, then we're good. We could go at least to 79. Yeah, 79.20. And then I got a next level of 81.30. So we're gonna definitely watch because it's holding good. I just noticed the volume profile line right here is holding good on there for the past almost 2 weeks, you could say. So it shows that it's holding its price level. So we're gonna watch that one. Remember, all these are gonna be an alert, so I don't want you guys to like, how the hell are we gonna watch all these? So, all right. I also like Dollar Tree. Dollar
Or
Tree.
you just read my mind.
Dollar Tree looks.
DG looks fire too.
Yeah, Dollar Tree. This is a beautiful bounce zone on Dollar Tree, guys. Look, it's just solid. It's holding a nice trend right there. So once we break 152 point, I'll say 65. I'll put 152. I'll do 70 to be safe because it don't matter. Once we get in there, it could definitely fly to at least 155. So Dollar Tree looks good. Steve said Dollar General. Let's look at Dollar General. I haven't looked at it. It's be my first time. Yeah, Dollar General is, wow, that was a strong daily candle. Let me see. Move on in. Alright, I'll look at Dollar General once it breaks my volume profile, so around 247. I'll say 240 because it did a big move on Friday. Let me see, 245. It could definitely start rejecting around 248. So yeah, we gotta see where it opens, but it does look strong. I like this, the RSI. This is the only thing that worries me is, and it got stronger. Why? I don't know why if it made that move. So this one's kind of throwing me off. Yeah, my indicators is, but like I said, if we gonna watch Dollar Tree, you could definitely watch the other ones. So we could watch Walmart and all those. So I got that one. Dollar Tree. Hold on. Yeah, I've been in love with Hershey's, man. Hershey's been on a tear. So I'm gonna look at Hershey's again this week. Why? There's a double bottom on the RSI right here. MACD's still strong, showing like it's still gonna gas up. So all we need to do is, honestly, I'm gonna watch it after it breaks the highs of Friday candle, but I really wanted to break Thursday's red close, which was around 255. I'm sorry, 235. I apologize. 235 breaks that, then we flying at least to yeah, 239. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna say 239.5. So I'm gonna watch it around. I'm gonna put two alerts. I'm gonna put one right here. Let me delete this white line. Put it right here. Yeah, man. We've been watching Hershey's, I think, since here, around here, and it's just been around. It's like a holiday candy, man. So let's go. I think I got like two, one, two. Yeah, I got two more, and that's it. Apple, right? Apple. So well, I'm guessing. I don't know what's going on in China now, but if they're not rioting no more in front of Foxconn or whatever, that spot where Apple is manufacturing out of, I believe Apple could go, and the market could rip just because of that news that the employees aren't mad anymore. But I'm gonna watch it above. As soon as we hit 149.85, I like, hold on, let me stretch this out more. Yeah, let me see. 148.9. I wanted to watch it above my, yeah, right here. As soon as it goes above my volume profile line, I'm definitely gonna watch Apple. I like the 150 cost, to be honest. Like I said, this is all based off of the news out there. That's why they've been getting hammered because of that news. With China still with the COVID protesters. So it shows like it's staying in this price, this RSI zone. It's not showing weakness to downside. So I feel like Apple could turn, and as well here, look, MACD's about to kiss, and the Bears is getting weaker. So I'm definitely gonna watch Apple. I definitely want the 150 calls. You could definitely print to at least 151. Yeah, at least 150, 120 even. But Apple's definitely gonna watch. Um, I got you. Okay, PC. All right. Visa. Visa looks decent. This is my last one on the list my list right now. So it already breached the highs on the Mac. So could be heading more room to the upside. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it could possibly be heading to the upside. All right. So that already breached. This is almost showing the same pattern as SPY and the Qs, except that this one is actually turning a little bit to the upside. The other ones really had a straight line. This is actually showing like it's turning already. So I'm definitely bullish on Visa. It's holiday season. Everybody's shopping, using their cards. So, you know, you got to think like that. Um, it's holding its level and it's showing like a flag almost here if you want to be technical. Like it's, it's not a perfect flag, but you're gonna let me delete this rectangle here. I don't know why I got two. Yeah, but this definitely like forming a flag right here. As long as it holds that price level, I think it goes up. And it doesn't even have to break a high. As soon as it breaks above I'll say 218.50 is worth watching. So I'll put my alert on 218.50. Let me expand this more. Actually, higher than 218.50. I apologize. 218. Let's do 218.89 on Visa. So 218 on Visa. If Visa starts showing strength, then you could go and see MasterCard and other similar bank names. But MasterCard usually moves nice for Visa, so I'd rather go look at MasterCard. All right, that's about it, gang. Let me see if there's any questions. If not, tomorrow, I'll be trading with you guys, and I'm not gonna trade live until Wednesday. Um, the following week, let me check my calendar real quick, because there is a week where I'm gonna be trading for like 2 weeks straight live. Hold on,
That's fine.
let me check.
Get ready.
Yeah, starting the 19th, I'll be trading those 2 weeks with you guys live every day. Yeah,
Holiday season, huh?
yeah, yeah. So this Wednesday for sure. Then the following Wednesday, and the other ones every day I'll be on. Yeah.
Yeah,
Santa
good.
Rally, you come.
Santa Rally for sure. Yo, what do you think of Affirm and Neo?
Affirm. Yeah, I like Affirm.
Affirm,
Affirm showing a lot of strength. A lot, yeah. This is consolidation. This is a strong buy zone.
heavy.
You just gotta wait till it cracks. Not for nothing. It's at that level, but
It's either gonna reject or it's gonna rip.
Mhm. So I
And
would
Square,
wait.
Square too.
14,
Same thing with Square.
14, 16. So it could definitely hit 15 and then get rejected around 15.35 or 40 on a firm.
Come back down, bounce.
Yeah, come back down and might bounce. Yeah, to break, because I I could see it going to almost 16 and change if it has a good
Those
day.
contracts print.
Yeah. That means UPST could go. Let me see UPST.
It just wasn't as strong
Yeah, firm looks stronger.
in
Yeah,
Square.
I'll look at Square too. Let's see SoFi. Might want to watch SoFi.
From
SoFi.
Pound Zone.
This is a pin bar, bro. Hammer on the. Yeah, that's a pin bar hammer. Yeah, so Square. I like SoFi, I like a firm. And I like Square. It's doing like a little flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Square, bro. Yeah. Like I said, holiday season, this could be the reason why these things are holding up. So
That 69.35 level has been a pain for Square. It'll like breach it slightly and then pull back down. They did it like 5 times last week, so it's gonna be
yeah,
a big level.
let me see. So right here's a rejection. Trying to plot these levels of rejection for you. Um, yeah, this is definitely 1, 2. All right, so wait until it pops 70, 85 at least. Cause
That's
then,
for $72 calls.
yeah, exactly. You read my mind, my brother. Alright. So,
Perfect.
yeah, you know, you say your alert right there and you'll be good.
The square alert went off like 5 times last Friday, but I'm glad, like, I didn't signal any entries because it kept rejecting. So once
Mhm,
it cracks those Thursday's highs, it should rip.
mhm. Yeah, I like Square though. That means, let's see what PayPal doing.
PayPal.
PayPal looks
So
nasty.
yeah, PayPal looks good to the downside.
Downside, hell yeah. Oh, deep
hmm
to the downside.
PayPal could be a nice downside swing.
It could definitely go to 71 and then bounce.
Yep.
Yeah, PayPal definitely. Alright, yeah, so that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. We got some names. I'm looking forward to it. We're in those spy swing calls, so let's hope we print on those. I think we're gonna print. Not worried.
The 410s.
Yeah, yeah. hmm
Yeah, I'm
Ah,
not
very
worried
good.
either.
hmm
We were using profits to keep swinging, y'all. Proud of you guys.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow's another day, man. We're gonna kill it again. Let's start the week off good, all right?
For sure. So I'll start a little bit later tomorrow morning because it'll be my first day on the other side. So
All good, man. No pressure, bro. Take your time.
thank you guys. Yo, much love. Good luck tomorrow. I'll see you all in the morning.
All right, man. Likewise. Have a good night, everyone.
You too. Thank you.
All right, be easy.
Bye, guys.